A very warm welcome back to the Balti Brothers YouTube channel. Today we're showing you how to make a Keema Aloo with some Shimla Mirch, which is green peppers. A very firm favorite of our household. We used to love it as children and mum makes the best. So what I'm trying to do is, it's not the original, but it's a good replica of the original. Hope you all enjoy watching, and above all, when you cook it at home, you enjoy it. So we'll start off with our fry pan here. Then we're going to add roughly 100 ml of oil. You can add more oil, and with the oil, once the curry is cooked, you can remove some oil when the oil rises to the top of the surface. Because with the oil as well, it does help to wilt or caramelize the onions fully, so there's not as many onions showing once the curry is cooked. So we're gonna add the oils fully heated up, a couple of bay leaves, a couple of cloves, some cinnamon stick, black cardamom, and cumin seeds. Just keep the onions coarse on this one. You don't need to have the onions very fine, as they will wilt within the curry. At the same time, in goes the onions. So just a nice low flame at the moment. You can increase the flame because the fry dish is not as thick, so it's heating everything very quickly. So we have kept it at a low flame so it doesn't overcook the onions. What we will do is add the ginger and garlic at the same time on this one. So a small piece of ginger. By the way, you can use the garlic and ginger paste as well, which you can puree in a blender. You can use it whole as well. So a couple of cloves of garlic. A nice stir. So while the onions are being cooked, we'll add some salt. Salt to taste. We've had some really nice feedback from many of the viewers, and from UK, America, South Africa. We've had Canada, we've had Norway, we've had Denmark, we've had Ireland. The onions are being browned very nicely. Now at this stage, we'll add the fresh tomatoes as well. So at this stage, Mum calls it getting the masala right. So before the meat is actually placed in the pan, we can ensure the onions are ready, the tomatoes ready, the spices, then the meat goes in, then you'll see the magic happening. As soon as the tomatoes start softening, you'll start adding all the spices as well. As you can see, the tomatoes have softened, the onions are being caramelized beautifully. We'll start adding the spices now. So we're going to start off with chili powder. If you would like it spicy, you can add more chili powder. If you would like it mild, you can add less. So we'll start with 1 tablespoon. With the chili powder, it also helps give a nice color to the curry as well. Then turmeric, 1 tablespoon. We have 1 tablespoon of coriander zira powder, and half tablespoon of coriander powder. So at this stage, after a minute or two, we'll start adding the lamb mince, and when the lamb mince is added, we'll add the potatoes as well. So now with the flame on low flame, at the same time now we'll add the potatoes inside as well. The reason is so the potatoes will cook within the lamb mince. We'll add some water at a later stage, but at this moment in time, the flavor and the water released from the meat will help everything cook and bond all the spices together. Keep stirring the dish so the meat doesn't get burnt at the bottom. If you have a thick vessel what you're cooking in, a pot thick one, then you won't need to stir it as much because the heat absorbent will be more, because this is a thin metal karai, so we have to stir it quite occasionally. Also, the stock coming out from the meat will help with all the sauce, etc., make it more flavorful. If you can see, all the stock is being released now. The approximate cook time is 30 minutes, but just please always ensure the meats are thoroughly cooked and you've checked it before you eat. So now, as you can see, the dish is getting cooked. The oil has started to release. We are going to add some more spices, some more water. So we're going to add some more salt to taste, some more turmeric powder, another half tablespoon of cumin powder, another half tablespoon of coriander powder, and some more chili powder. At this stage, we need to add some more water just to ensure the potatoes are able to cook well and bond the spices. So roughly about 200 ml water should be fine. I'm just going to increase the flame as well. So the curry is cooking very nicely. The potatoes are still firm. Just need to let the potatoes soften. Once the potatoes are softened, we're just going to garnish with some fenugreek leaves, coriander. Dish is ready. And also I'll just add some green peppers diced now as well. The green peppers will definitely give the dish a nice taste. Once they've softened, we don't want them too soft, just so you have a crunch to it, and you will taste the difference, especially with lamb mince. It's really, really tasty. Also, you can add some green chilies if you prefer, just for some extra flavor. Some fenugreek. Just ensure you crush the fenugreek. A nice good pinch of coriander. Coriander is a very healthy herb as well. You can also boil the potatoes separately if you wanted, and boil them up to 80%, and then let the remainder 20% finish off in the curry. Or the way we've done it now, it'll take a little bit longer, but it'll be worth the wait. The dish is almost ready. While the dish is finishing off, we'll bake a nice garlic naan to complement with the dish. You can have it with rice as well, but more tastier with naan bread, chapatis, and or pita bread. Then we'll do a nice basic simple salad as well, what we oftenly have the dish at home with. So few more moments, please. So what we're doing now is just massaging the garlic into the naan bread, so you'll have a nice garlic taste in the naan. Then we're going to add some fresh coriander. So coriander garlic naan. We lift the bread with some love and care. There we have it, the Keema Aloo curry with some green peppers. Shimla mirch is ready. You can take out the whole spices if you prefer, especially the bay leaves. Hope you've enjoyed watching the Keema potato and Shimla mirch curry being prepared and cooked. Hope you enjoy it even more while you're cooking. Appreciate all your kind words, comments, feedback, which only encourages to do more and better. As I've always said, we always learn together. Please like, subscribe and share the channel. Look forward to cooking many more dishes. Thank you from all the Balti brothers and all the team. Much love, much respect. God bless. Thank you.